Hello, friends. We will continue talking Kiluba. Today we talking about Babi, Babi balelwa. Balelanani ye Bomwatopeka. Babi balelwa. Balelanani ye Bomwatopeka or Balelanani ye topeka. This say that the wicked are taken care of, but the caregivers are the one to blame. So this proverb said the caregiver are the one to blame for the behavior of the wicked. So you can take care of the wicked, but over time, whatever they're doing, if they're not doing right, you, the caregiver, will be blamed. Babi balelwa. So the bad people or the wicked people are taken care of. Balelanani ye topekwa or ye Bomwatopeka. The Bomwatopeka means those who are taking care of them, those are to be blamed. So let's go deeper now, trying to understand what's going on. Here, this proverb, I was saying that it can be used to just say that if you're taking care of somebody and the person is misbehaving, you are responsible. You are the one to be blamed, not the person, not somebody else. This just came in my mind as working sometimes with the children of those people who are sick or the people who are sick. Well, sometimes we wonder, we ask ourselves questions. Why those children as this wild? Why those children as this they misbehaving this bad? Somebody among us said it's about their parents, and I'd never really pushed my thinking that far, because I believe that the very big part of the misbehaving of a child is about himself. That's what I always believe. Then a little part for the parents. But the reality is that parents have a really huge part to play in a child. Then in an adult, you have to run away from your blaming or your childhood behavior, where you could say, no, that's my parent. You have to take responsibility of who you are at that point. Let's come back to the proverb. Babi balelwa. Balelanani ye Bomwatopeka or ye topekwa. So the people who are taken care of have to be blamed for the behavior of the wicked. Now when we go deeper, as I said, let's take Babi. I must say the baby. Babi, of course, baby is a with a Y. Babi means the bad. If you see some people who are not good, you can say those people are Babi. Babi, so they are bad. They are bad. Babi, it's very close to English. It's a Babi, and not a baby, but Babi means they are bad. And see, we're learning words here and there, little by little. I believe you are already full of many words just for this year, 2021. But the reality is that when you say Babi, you catch that those people are bad or wicked. Babi. Somebody is movie means is bad. Movie means is bad. A movie is singular. But Babi, there are many bad people, many wicked people. Babi means bad. So many, those people are many who are bad, they call Babi. If there is just one person, we'll say movie. A movie means he's wicked, means he's bad from his behavior, the way he acts, or so on. So let's go forward. We have the word. We put in our pocket to the first word, easy word. Babi means bad or wicked, and movie means bad or wicked, which is singular. Balelwa means they are taken care of. That's my explanation. Babi, balelwa, the bad are taken care of. Or movie, ulelwa, means the bad person, which is a singular, is taken care of. Kulelwa means taken care of. Balelwa, they are taken care of. Ulelwa means he is taken care of. If it was one person, movie ulelwa means the bad is taken care of. Balelanani or Balelanani is the caregiver. Mulelani is a caregiver. Babi, balelwa, Balelanani ye Bomwatopeka. Balelanani. It means it said in Kiluba, muledi, it's a person who take care of people. Is muledi. Balelanani is the people who take care of others. I hope my pronunciation is good. It's not the word I pronounce most of the time. I may just say something which is not very close, but just the word Balelanani. It's Balelanani is the people who take care of others. So we'll go forward. The word having, and it's a very long word, and let's see another word which I think we're missing there. Balelanani. I will correct that. I didn't write it correctly too for the explanation, but the first word is good. Balelanani yebo topekwa. Then the one another one is Bomwatopeka, means you blame. Those are the people you blame. Bomwatopeka. Let's go to verbs. I hope you are with me and don't get tired. Little by little we increasing word. I love Babi means bad, and then movie means bad, that's a singular, and Babi is plural. Let's go to verb lelwa, to be taken care of. Naba lelwa, I am taken care of. Yeah, I think you will say that way. Then lelwa, you are taken care of. Lelwa, he is taken care of. Tuba lelwa, we are taken care of. And then Muba lelwa, you are taken care of. Lelwa, they are taken care of. Let's go to verb. Second verb is topeka. In that second part of it, topeka. Ye Bomwatopeka or ye Bomwatopeka. Kutopeka, it's to blame. One topeka. And say you blamed me. Kutopeka is to blame. So let's conjugate. Naba topeka. I blame. Wa topeka. He blamed. You blame. Wa topeka. He or she blames. Tuba topeka. We blame. Muba topeka. You blame. Our topeka. They blame. I did another verb just in the same optic of blaming. Kutopekwa. We were talking. The first one we say is kutopeka. This one is kutopekwa. Kutopekwa is to be blamed. Kutopeka is to blame. Kutopekwa is to be blamed. So let's go forward. Kutopekwa, to be blamed. Naba topekwa, I was blamed, or I am blamed. Wa topekwa, you are blamed. Wa topekwa, he or she is blamed. Tuba topekwa, we are blamed. Muba topekwa, you are blamed. Our topekwa, they are blamed. So we're done with this lesson today. I hope this was easy for you. I'm working hard to make sure it's easy for all of us, as we both studying the language. The only difference between you and myself is that I am learning, I read, and then I come to explain. I know both language. I know English and I know Kiluba. So as you follow me and learning, before you know, we'll be speaking the same way. It is interesting. I love to speak Kiluba. I love to speak English. I love to explain and then teach the language. So if you're with me all the time, keep bearing with me. We'll continue digging in, and then let me know how you're improving, and we'll keep working on finding ways to communicate. So thank you for always listening to these lessons, and God bless you.